Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC in the overall market is doing better than AMC and GME on today, guys. Basically, AMC and GME is consolidating from the place they left off on yesterday, guys. GME is still looking good, being above the main resistance at 124 and 129, and it's well above its last resistance at 129, sitting at the high 130s. Exactly what we told you guys we was headed with GME, and the low 140s that we already ran and touched, and now consolidating in the high 130 areas, guys, right in their resistance. So that's a great sign that a continuation is underway, guys. Also, AMC has been showing strong signs that it's ready to be the monster that is becoming, guys. You know, AMC is a beast waiting to be unleashed. So AMC is sitting at $15.17. It's also holding up well above its resistance at 14.50. Usually, whenever a stock break resistance like that, it'll shy right around that resistance, going up under it, getting right back over it, playing back and forth with the longs and shorts, not giving you a clear indication on where it's headed. But the way these bad boys been holding up above their resistance and not shine, getting too close to it, the break back down is giving real, confidence with the plays that it may be a real turning signal that's about to happen with the meme stocks. So as well though, guys, as we can see, the overall market is doing well, meaning the large cap companies, the major companies that controls the market, help pushes the market up in these indexes. They are doing fairly well. Of course, the market is trying to come up out of that state that it was in. As a lot of people know, a lot of new investors, they will mine, and they psychological points would be all thinking the market is going to move simultaneously. When everything go up, everything go up. Basically, that's what the market has been showing a lot of people that's just getting involved in the market, and they may think that's how the market operate on a normal basis. Meaning, as you see the market go down, you see everything come down together simultaneously and sync. And also, when the market goes up, you see everything go up, everything goes up in sync. But now on today, and here and there, they tries to do it. They'll make this a thing, but they'll come out and mix the market up, meaning they'll have different sectors and different areas of the market going in opposite directions, some consolidating, some soaring, some up 5-10% on the day, some down. And they'll start to try and confuse you, but that's normal market activity, guys, with things going in different directions. So anyways, as we know, guys, the market as a whole has been one big crazy place, guys, meaning with the prices coming down to the levels that they came down to. But it's only like Christmas, guys. It's really like Christmas in the market. So if you have the funds, if you able to, not have everything, all your earnings in one place, but if you got the extra capital, the extra cash sitting around not knowing what to do with it, now is the time to be getting involved in the market, guys, because you're going to easily make 200-300% on your money if you invest in the right quality companies once the market starts to turn around. And you could possibly see it, sooner rather than later, because like I was telling you guys in the previous video, the video last night, and all the videos, I do believe a bullish market can happen within this bearish market, guys. So as I told you guys on last night, today's expectations for the overall market, I did see a nice cup of handle pattern ending on yesterday, how we spiked during the morning, then towards the end of the day, they try to get those gains back, but we also seen a bounce towards the end of the day as well as it pulled back. And that bounce, I said it could lead into today and see us uptrending, giving us a nice head start going into next week to continue a nice uptrend for the overall market, guys. I don't believe it's going to hold once the market run, though. I do believe it's going to come right back down. So I told you guys my opinion and how I would do things. If you invest in a lot of companies for the long term, and you down in those companies big, whenever the market spike up significantly, I would sell out everything, me personally, and then once it tank and come back down to new lower levels, I would start to nibble back in and rebuy, guys. And that's not included AMC, guys, because know that AMC done came back all the way back down to its beginning levels. So it's no reason to be, getting in and out of that unless you ease out of your position and sold your original investment, meaning getting all your money back and letting house money ride whenever it ran off the 50, 60, 70 the first time. Now that was okay. Now this time, it ain't been nothing but load up time. It ain't no reason to sell at 13, 14, 15, and where you gonna buy back at? It probably don't go down to levels for you to do that. So I'm not referring to AMC, because when I said in some other videos, other people's like, well, you talking about AMCs? You gonna sell out all AMC as well? No, guys, I'm talking about other companies, fundamental companies, companies that I'm invested in because of I see the potential and the growth in the sales that they're doing year over year, and it's getting better and better. So those are companies we are referring to, not AMC specifically or meme stocks. They is on a whole different frequency, a whole different ball game, a whole different logistics behind why we even got involved with these companies. So now the fundamentals is adding up and building up with these, which is a great thing, 2-for-1 type deal. But anyways, we not referring to that. So as you can see, guys, yep, the market is doing pretty well though. A couple plays that I'm looking at that I've been telling you guys about, that's load up time. Because I know you'd be like, man, people say plays and plays, but what plays? Man, Upstart is definitely a banger, guys. I've been loading up in the low 20s, mid 20s. It's definitely going to take off very soon. Also, Carvana, been loading up in the low 20s. It's going to take off very soon. So that's just a few of them, guys. It's many, many more. Of course, you know, you want to be getting your Amazon, you want to be getting your Tesla, you want to be getting your Apple. But I think, you know, stocks like that is kind of common sense. That's why I try not to, you know, throw that on you all the time or every day. Hey, get Apple, get Tesla. Like, that's common sense. My 2-year-old daughter,